Presenting Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. It comes in a berry blue, smoky teal, icy silver and color variants. The Galaxy M14 has Android 13, One UI Core 5.0 with powerful Exynos 1330 Octa-core 2.4 GHz 5nm processor. You can choose between 4GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM size variants depending on your usage. It supports super-fast 5G with 13 5G bands. Now let us look at its 6.6-inch LCD Full HD Plus display for cinematic viewing. It has 1080 by 2408 pixels, 401 ppi with 16 million colors and shows vibrant visuals. The 50MP plus 2MP plus 2MP triple camera setup and 13MP front camera helps you capture the world on the go. Get up to 2 times of Android updates and 4 times of security updates with Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. Experience the best battery life with its 6000 mAh long-lasting battery. The box includes the smartphone, Type-C data cable, quick start guide and SIM ejection pin. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.